Okay, this is Project Builder 2 for Chapter 9. Step 1 is to open the file. Step 2, target the logo layer and add an inner shadow layer style. So click, add inner shadow. Step 3 is to apply the settings shown in Figure 32. So blend mode, multiply, opacity 75, angle 30, distance 505. Step 4, click the words inner glow and enter the settings shown in Figure 33. So multiply, opacity is 10, noise is 0, the color should be black. Softer, center, choke 0, size 5. Okay, everything's good. And then step 6, click OK and set the logo layer to multiply. So we're going to change the blending mode to multiply for the logo layer. Step 7 is to press Command on a Mac or Control on a Windows and click the logo layer thumbnail to load the selection. This selects only the pixels in the logo layer. Step 8, click Select on the menu bar and click Inverse. This inverses that selection. Step 9, target the wood layer and then copy, Control C, and then create a new layer and paste the selection in the new layer, Control V. Step 10 is to name the new layer Wood Emboss. So step 11, add a bevel and emboss layer style to the wood emboss layer and enter the settings shown in Figure 34. So bevel and emboss. Inner bevel, smooth, depth should be 1000, size 1, soften 0. Okay, and then color has to be for highlight 255R, 255G, and 150B. And the opacity of the highlight is 100. And then the shadow color is the same, and opacity is 150 or 50. Click OK. Step 13, target the logo layer and duplicate it. So we're going to click the logo layer and drag it down to the new layer icon. On the logo copy layer, double click the inner glow layer style. And step 15, in the structure section at the top, set the color of the glow to 196R, 25G, and 25B. Step 16, click OK and compare your work.